What's the weirdest thing ever found by a scientist? Welcome to WizPal, and today we'll be looking at the top 10 mysterious facts that even the smartest scientists cannot explain. We'll be looking at mysterious objects, places, and phenomena that, no matter how much they research, scientists have been completely unable to describe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn notifications on for more videos like today. Without further ado, let's begin with our countdown. 10th place, the Costa Stone. We're kicking off our list with the Costa Stone, an intriguing cup and ring marked rock in Faithfully, Scotland, and also known as the Druid Stone. It's been estimated that the markings were made in the Bronze Age, with scientists theorizing that they were utilized by previous civilizations to accurately mark movements of the sun and moon. Although this theory has been disproved, people across the world are still confused as to what could have been the Costa Stone's true purpose, as ancient civilizations did not use the cup and ring marked rocks for those purposes. 9th place, Nazca Lines. Coming in the 9th place on our list, we have the Nazca Lines, probably the biggest and also most mysterious geographical phenomenon on Earth. When seen from the Earth, the Nazca Lines only seem like a group of random geoglyphs formed by depressions and shallow incisions in Peru. However, look at them from the sky and they form figures of varying complexity. Hundreds are simple lines and geometric shapes. More than 70 are zoomorphic designs of animals, such as a hummingbird, spider, fish, condor, heron, monkey, lizard, dog, and a human. Other shapes include trees and flowers. Their true purpose is unknown, although scientists have theorized that they might have religious importance. 8th place, the London Hammer. Back in June 1936, Max Hahn and wife Emma Hahn were walking through the woods when they stumbled upon a rock with wood coming out of its core. Intrigued by this object, they took it home and cracked it open with a hammer and a chisel. What did they find inside? Well, ironically enough, they found another hammer, just that this one was probably a few thousand years old. They sent it to a team of archaeologists who checked it, and as it turns out, the rock encasing the hammer was dated to the Ordovician period. Okay, did we say a few thousand years old? Nope, it was actually 400 million years ago. Despite this, there's still something unexplained about the London Hammer. According to initial measurements, the hammer itself turned out to be more than 500 million years old. Apparently, it's so old that a section of the handle has become the transformation to coal. The hammer's head is made from iron and far purer than anything in nature. So, what's the explanation for this intriguing artifact? No one knows for certain. 7th place, the Moai in Easter Island. The Moai statues, commonly referred to as the Easter Island heads, come in the 7th place of our list due to their mysterious aspect and unknown purpose. Almost all Moai have overly large heads, 3/8 of the size of the whole statue. The Moai statue are known for their large, broad noses and strong chins, along with the rectangle-shaped ears and deep eye slits. Their bodies are normally squatting, with their arms resting in different positions and are without legs. They are believed to be religious artifacts for the people who lived on the Easter Island, though there's no confirmation that this statement is true. 6th place, Stonehenge. A few interesting facts about Stonehenge are that, despite how it looks today, the site went through various transformations and didn't begin as a ring of stones. The circular earth bank and ditch that surrounds the stones can be dated back to about 3100 BC, while the first stones are believed to have been raised at the site between 2400 and 2200 BC. However, that's all the scientists know for sure, as the people who raised Stonehenge vanished without written records. Stonehenge is one of the weirdest finds ever, and is very high on the list of mysterious prehistoric monuments. It's also one of the most famous landmarks precisely due to this. The ring of megalithic stones was built approximately 4,000 years ago, and was an impressive feat for the primitive people who constructed it. 5th place, the Piri Reis Map. Maps in ancient times were inaccurate at best, due to them not having access to our satellite technology. In 1929, a group of historians made what can only be described as an amazing discovery, written on the skin of a gazelle. After study and research, they found that this is a genuine map drawn in 1513 by Piri Reis, a well-documented admiral of the Turkish Navy. Despite being drawn in this time, the map accurately depicts Europe, the coast of Brazil, the Azores, the Canary Island, and even Antarctica, which precisely left scientists baffled, as it was supposedly discovered only 300 years ago. It also describes Antarctica as not covered in ice, and in great detail. How was this possible at that time? 4th place, the Costa Rica stone balls. Who would expect Costa Rica to be so full of these mysterious objects? Giant stone spheres, some dating back as far as 600 AD, are located in the so-called Diquis Delta of southern Costa Rica. They are known locally as La Bolas, and these heavy monuments were the works of a pre-Columbian civilization. If you're wondering what they are made of, most are made from gabbro, a rock that forms from molten magma. The people who carved the stones into their perfectly spherical shapes likely did so using other small stones, according to archaeologists who studied the ancient rocks. So what's the purpose of the Diquis spheres? Many believe they were used as astronomical purposes, while others believe they could have been pointers to specific places, or even places of worship. However, we'll never know their true purpose, as the people of Costa Rica vanished after the Spanish conquest. Third place, the Saqqara Bird. The Saqqara Bird obtains its name from its place of residence, the Pandi Iman tomb in Saqqara, Egypt. It's a bird-shaped artifact made from the wood of a sycamore tree. The bird weighs under 40 grams and with a wingspan of more than 7 inches, has been dated back to approximately 200 BC, 2200 years ago. The bird might prove to be even further evidence that the Egyptians of old were aware of the principles of aviation and tested some of these using artifacts such as the Saqqara Bird. The object has few realistic bird traits. With its vertical tail resembling that of an airplane or glider, it resembles no known bird. So what's the true purpose of the bird? Second place, Antikythera mechanism. With such a complicated name, one cannot expect something like the Antikythera mechanism to be anything other than extremely intriguing and complicated. It was found in the sunken wreckage of a Greek cargo ship that could be at least 2,000 years old. The mechanism is in essence a circular bronze artifact that contains a maze of interlocking gears and mysterious characters etched all over its exposed faces. It was originally thought to be a kind of navigational astrolabe. However, archaeologists have continued to uncover its uses and now know that it was, at the very least, a highly intricate astronomical calendar. Its age is what has kept them confused though. How were the people of that time able to develop something so complex? We'll never know unless we ask them. Finally, we're going to the first place to find out which one's the absolutely most mysterious scientific find on Earth. Ready to know? Let's go. First place, Voynich manuscript. The Voynich manuscript is one of the most intriguing codexes ever written, and it comes in the first place of our list due to how mysterious it is. It has been carbon dated to the early 15th century, and ever since it was discovered, no one has been able to decipher what it really says or in what language it's written. The Voynich manuscript, an illustrated handwritten codex noteworthy for being undecipherable. It's written in an unknown system and describes many intriguing texts and illustrations about herbs, islands, nude women in bathing tools, and some kind of recipe, seemingly being a codex on medieval medicine. There has been a lot of speculation regarding the meaning of the manuscript, however, its true meaning still remains a mystery. So what do you think of these mysterious finds not even scientists have been able to decipher? We'd love to know what you think in the comments, so let us know. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.